So you're looking to make a move to Richland Chambers Lake and you're wanting to know about the Shores Subdivision and what just over $1 million can get you here. In this video, I'm going to show you just that by showcasing 3 homes here in the Shores Subdivision on Richland Chambers Lake. And we're getting after that right now. Now, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know about everything there is about living, breathing, dining inside of Corsicana or on Richland Chambers Lake, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current real estate market on Richland Chambers Lake. My name is Miriah Zuniga. I am with the Texas Living Realty Group inside Corsicana, and we get calls, texts, and emails every single day from people just like you looking to make a move to Corsicana, Texas and Richland Chambers Lake. And we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All that information is in the description below so we can help make a smooth move for you to Richland Chambers Lake. So situated along 8 miles of shoreline, the Shores Subdivision is one of the most sought out subdivisions here on Richland Chambers Lake. You can stay active at the community workout facility, cast your line from the pier and boat ramp for fishing adventures, and enjoy the convenience and security of this gated community. But that's not all the subdivision offers. The Shores also extends beyond the water's edge. On the other side of 287, you'll discover properties nestled on a few acres of land, providing the best of both worlds here. With a diverse range of amenities, there's really no gray area as to why this is one of the best subdivisions on the lake. Now, over the past 6 years, the Shores has experienced rapid development. While a few waterfront properties are still available for you to build on, the community proudly boasts some of the finest lakefront homes here on Richland Chambers Lake, while also still offering off-water properties that still give you all the amenities this place has to offer. The annual HOA fees for off-water properties here are $695 annually, while waterfront properties require $1,000 annually. Considering the extensive amenities available here is truly a remarkable subdivision compared to other HOA communities here with fees that don't give you as much as return. Now let's turn our attention to the 3 magnificent properties on the market within the Shores Subdivision on Richland Chambers Lake, each with the price tag exceeding $1 million. First, we have a home on Sailboat Drive. This stunning property is listed at $1.75 million and features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, sitting on a sprawling 1-acre lot with 68 feet of water frontage. With a spacious square footage of just over 3,300 square feet and a 3-car garage, this 2015 built gem is nestled on one of the more secluded and tree-lined streets within the Shores, ensuring some added privacy while still giving you that lake style feel. Next, we present a home on the Shores Drive, a true masterpiece within the subdivision. Priced at $1.6 million, this 2022 build offers over 3,700 square feet of sheer luxury. Boasting 6 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths, it graciously sprawls across an expansive 116-foot waterfront. It's situated on one of the most developed streets within the subdivision, but still is sophisticated and provides luxurious living. And finally, we showcase another jewel on the Shores Drive, available for $1.7 million. This new construction, completed in 2022, spans an impressive 5,900 square feet and rests on 1.1 acres with 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and approximately 174 feet of water frontage. This is a true entertainer's dream. From the 44-foot RV garage adjacent to the exercise room, to the 4-car garage, the covered patio, and breathtaking views, every inch of this property has been meticulously designed. An added bonus is the magnificent movie room, making this house not like any other on the market. Now, these are just a few examples of the remarkable properties that can be found within the Shores Subdivision, both on and off water here, as one of the most sought after communities on Richland Chambers Lake. Homes like these seldomly remain on the market for long. So if you want to learn more about Richland Chambers Lake or other subdivisions in the area, what you can get here, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell so you can receive notifications on our latest videos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you around the lake.